Wrong Panther, you dill.
2 men. 1 tank.
It's 2 tanks, you twat.
Well, it's really 3. I'm building 2.
Great, that's going to take him 2 years to do.
Boom! 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 1, that's 3, quick maths.
In the rich tradition of UK versus Australia rivalry, the Ashes, the Rugby World Cup, the Olympics.
That's a load of crap. It's 139. 3 of them were New Zealand golds.
The Commonwealth Games. Aha, that's a pumping. Even our Quidditch team has a name.
You're a wizard, Harry.
Stop naffing about and get on with it. Will you show the tanks?
The Panther, the most feared of all.
Not really, that would be the tiger. Oh dear, that's not right.
Picky. Anyway, here's a Panther that was successfully commanded by the famous Michael Schumacher.
You are a twat, that's a bloody Ferrari.
Let the build begin. Mate versus mate. YouTuber versus YouTuber. Builder versus builder. Australia versus England.
Oi, it's not a bloody competition, you know.
Isn't it?
No.
Oh, okay. So, no winners? No losers?
No.
No prizes or trophies?
No.
No fame or glory?
No. No.
Oh, Go for a pint then.
That's the first smart thing you've said.
Cool, let's go. Hey, Steve, this time, can we get a cold beer? That other stuff was like drinking tepid tea.
Shut up, idiot.